Hey guys, look what just arrived. If you like watching these kind of videos of unboxing, just keep on watching. We are reviewing the Grassroots Farmers Corporate Meat Box. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Alright guys, we're doing an unboxing of our Grassroots box. And I need to hurry up, bro. I need to put it in the freezer. In the basement. Let's see what it looks like. Huge paper with a receipt telling me how much I spent it. My address is in there. So let me show you how it looks. Hold on. Here is the box. Came in with this crazy green foam. I can dissolve it in water, compost, or burn the foam. That's nice to know. And here is, oh my goodness. Really? Oh. Wow. Cool. Alright, let's take all this stuff out of here so you guys can see. First thing is so here's the minute steak. Check it out. I think the window is like sort of giving us a weird glare. So let's do this. Probably put this over here. Much better. So here is the minute steak. It gives you cooking instructions in the back. And it's tenderized a minute. It does look like it only has like 2 steaks in there, by the way. And that's why I bought 2 packs. So it is 2 tenderized steaks to make some beef there. I don't know. Oh, turkey wings. I bought turkey wings. I did. It looks like there's 2 in there. In the other camera, sorry. Pork chops. This is the boneless ribeye pork chop. A little bigger than butcher box, I'll tell you that much. Beef chuck steak. Beef chuck steak. Beef chuck steak. This is about 1 pound of the beef chuck steak. I gotta say their sealing bag needs a little work because some of this is already unsealing. Here is your ground pasteurized, raised without antibiotic, ground round. So I guess it's ground beef. So here's your ground beef. My 1 little pound. Actually, I can compare this with the butcher box. I have one still that we haven't cooked. Here is my chicken wing drumettes and flats, and it's about 2 pounds of chicken wings all squished in there. Alright, another pack of the chicken wings. A pack of legs. So I got 2 4, looks like 5 chicken drumstick legs. This I can't compare to Butcher Box because I've never gotten drumsticks, but this is about 1.5 pounds of legs. They look pretty good. And last but not least, another beef chuck steak. The beef looks pretty good. Very dark red. This is about 1.5 pounds. And then here we have boneless, skinless chicken breast. 1 pound. And it looks like there's 2 chicken breasts in here. So, not bad. Now that we're done with the box. So, besides all of this, so here is the Butcher Box. This is 4 ounces, 124 grams, 4 serving size of the grass-fed ground beef. 85% lean, 15% fat. This is the Butcher Box. See how cute? The packaging alone, I'm in love. And this is the grassroots one. So this one just says keep refrigerated. They have no nutritional facts in here, except that it's pasteurized, raised without antibiotics, ground beef. It doesn't tell me the amount of fat or any of that stuff. I'm still looking. I don't find anything. This is about 1 pound and 3 ounces. This is 1 pound. And that's it. There's nothing else on the packaging. The meat sort of looks, this one does look a little darker. I tell you that. See, can you tell the difference? That's side by side. The color. So, I mean, so far it looks okay. And I am okay with some of this stuff. Like, this is good. The chicken looks pretty good. I just have to taste it. The pork chops do look bigger than the Butcher Box. The ground beef, I mean, besides the packaging, if you don't care about the packaging, I guess this is why they're a little bit cheaper, not a lot. I guess it's because their packaging seemed to be a little bit better. But this is meat. I mean, you're going to freeze it. You're going to eat it. Here's the steak, the tenderized meat steaks. You see how the packages, some of these are not completely sealed, and I guess that's okay. So I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and when I cook with them and try them to make sure they are okay. I mean, we already tried the Butcher Box and they were good. I mean, except that I don't have a lot of, like, I didn't see chicken wings to order in the Butcher Box. And I think when it was an option, they were very expensive. And I did not see options for chicken legs. So for another option to find other pieces of meat, I guess I can buy chicken legs, I can buy chicken wings from them, versus I can do everything else with Butcher Box. I didn't see a huge price difference, but according to my husband, based on the pounds and the ounces, he did the calculation, and apparently grassroots for some stuff was cheaper, but I guess we shall see how it tastes. So for me to get certain things that I want, or extra things that I want, without costing me more extra, I feel like either one is fine. I just have to taste these to see if they pass the taste test. So hope you enjoyed the video. God bless, and don't forget to subscribe.